Hi, this is Valerie with Now Gardening, and since my tomato plants are done and I'm cleaning them out for the fall, I thought let's dig up those old fish heads that I planted a few months ago and see what happened. Fish head and the fish parts made a huge difference in the growth and the survival of those tomato plants when I planted it at the very beginning of the season when I first put the tomato plants outside. If you're interested to see the full experiment, I will post a link for it in the description down below. This is a bone that has not completely decomposed. There's another worm. Here's some more bones. These bones here. These all seem to be little bones that actually, for the most part, this is very brittle. I don't know if you can hear it, it's just like spongy. This is still pretty hard. After 5 months in the ground, that's all that was left of the fish head and the fish part. One was still hard. I don't know exactly what part that was, but it was the only part that was left that was still hard. Otherwise, all the other bones were really kind of spongy and soft and really already in the process of decomposing. I plan to do more experiments with fish head and fish parts and tomato plants next summer just to kind of help confirm those results, since I was basing this off of a very small sample size. But keep an eye out for the other experiments that I have coming up this fall and winter. Hope to see you next time. Thank you. Bye.